Hello and welcome to Food Time. I'm Laura. Come join me in my kitchen on this hot summer day to microwave some risotto from my harvested vegetables or easily found in your grocery store. I have Swiss chard, summer squash. Oh yes, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of butter in a microwavable bowl with a lid. We will be microwaving on high throughout this video. You'll need 2 garlic cloves that are minced, about a half a cup of scallions or green onions into the bowl. We will microwave this on high for 3 minutes. You can either tear your Swiss chard or slice it up. I tend to roll it up and slice it. I just heard the microwave go off, so now I need to check and add 1.5 cups of chicken broth to the microwavable bowl. I will cook this on high for 2 minutes. And while the microwave is on, it's time to continue cutting the vegetables. I will cut up and cube my summer squash. The next step is to stir in 1 cup of arborio rice. Next, I will add the lime zest, and of course the juice from the 1 lime, and also the pulp as well. Giving everything a quick stir before putting in the vegetables, the Swiss chard and the yellow squash. You will cover your bowl and cook for 6 minutes on high. Once the 6 minutes have elapsed, next you will add 3/4 of a cup of the chicken broth, the final addition to this dish. You will need to cook this as well on high for 10 minutes. And that's all there is to it, folks. You remove it from the microwave, take a look. Oh, doesn't that look good? Let it rest for 5 or 10 minutes with the lid on, so it will absorb any remaining chicken broth that might be still in the pan. Once it's sat for a few minutes, give it a nice fluff with a fork, and you can serve your fresh vegetable risotto.